Hello, my name is Gabriel. On this channel I'm helping with Ascension. In this video I want to teach you how to connect, how to bring peace, and how to remake connections or bring up connections or heal connections between people, countries, and how we can bring peace, to this planet with our mind, focus, and intention. You have to know that when scientists went into the jungle and they were finding tribes, they noticed that those tribes where the electromagnetic energy between them was broken or was not available, there was always war. And where there was a connection in the electromagnetic field in the planet, which is measurable, yeah, you need to check out Dan Winter's work. He can tell you all about this and prove it to you scientifically. Yeah. So scientists noticed that where the connection was available, where the electromagnetic energy in the earth was there was always peace between those tribes. Now, if we imagine Russia and Ukraine, or if we imagine any place where there is conflict between the countries, if we focus from one country to the other and back and forth and back, yeah, we build up an electromagnetic energy in the earth where we focus on. In order to achieve this, you have to imagine the map of the planet and the countries. Yeah, you have to use your imagination and focus onto that place where you want the connection to be remade. So if you focus Russia, Ukraine, yeah, and you always put your attention from left to right, from one country to another, there you will rebuild the connection between those countries. Yeah? You have to know where thought goes, energy flows. But thought is not enough. You have to say a mantra, or you have to say a prayer, let's say, yeah, because the praying or saying a mantra is the carrier wave of your energy. So it's not enough just to focus. You have to say something, you have to pray, or you have to recite something, yeah, so that your energy flows into that direction. And you can do this from China to Spain or from China to the US. Wherever you will focus, yeah, you will send energy there. And now if only you are doing this, yeah, then it's a thin line. If two people are doing it, then it's a thicker line. When three people are doing it, then it's a thicker, even thicker line. And when a lot of people do this, then we build up this energy in that place, yeah, that will hold up or rebuild the connection between the countries. And building up this electromagnetic energy in the earth, yeah, or in this connection between the countries, then there will be peace again. And this is how you make peace between countries. And if you do want to do another social experiment, if you have a friend which is let's say chaotic, or he's drunk, or he's addicted to alcohol, and he is misbehaving, or his life is just a mess, and you want to help him, but words don't do it, or an example doesn't do it, so if it's not enough just to talk to him, or he doesn't understand, you can focus on his heart chakra. Because if he sees the world from a low vibration, yeah, he sees the world as hostile, and he sees the world as something that is not accepting him, or he sees the world as something where there is conflict, but because he is going out from himself and sees the world as he is. All right. So if you want to help him, yeah, you need to send energy to him, or you need to activate or give energy from yourself, but not from yourself, because actually when you inhale, yeah, you take energy from air. Air is the spirit of God, and air you can transform into intention. Yeah, and when you focus on your friend, you focus on his heart chakra. Yeah, you will send energy there and activate his heart chakra. And heart chakra is all about peace, love, and connection. And when he sees the world from that perspective, yeah, he can change his attitude. So again, you can use a mantra. Ho'oponopono is the best mantra that I found. Yeah, and saying, reciting, the best thing would be if you would pray or recite mantras for all those who are in need. Yeah, when you focus somewhere and you say mantras, healing mantras like Ho'oponopono, let's say, you will send energy there. And I hope that you are clean and pure inside, and that you have a good intention, because the energy that is in you will be going there. All right, so if you are messed up, and if you are an alcoholic, and if you are just walking chaos, then it's better not to do it. Yeah, the best would be to clean up yourself, make yourself a vegetarian diet, have pure intentions, speak the truth, clean out yourself, work on yourself, yeah, until you are stable, and until you are peaceful, and until you have no addictions. Yeah, and this, like this, you can be a good healer. Yeah, the best healers are vegetarians. And then when you are poor inside and strong inside, then your energy is going into that person, and then you can imbue your energy to that person. Yeah, and then you can help that person, yeah, come out from the low vibration, or from that chaotic energy which he is in. So prayer, mantras, yeah, and a good intention, a pure inner energy will help your friend come out, yeah, from the chaos, or from the low vibration in which he is in. Practice makes the master. It's not enough to know, it's better to do. Take care, and all the best.